edge of the dip in interest rates as more inventory hit the market this past week. Contracts were up. It's Friday, December 9th, 2022. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report. You need to know what the local market is doing, so be sure to subscribe for weekly updates. On the shore, inventory fell again to 1,238 homes for sale. 99 homes came to the market over the past week. 36 homes are coming soon. 47 went under contract. 59 properties went to pending. And 101 properties sold in 22 days at 97.5% list to sold ratio. The highest sale this past week was in St. Michael's for $2,150,000. The rental market appears to be leveling out from the steep increases seen over the past 18 months. Currently, there are 74 homes for lease at a median price of $1,945 and staying on the market longer at 44 days. There's a lot of noise out there, so if you need clarification on your specific circumstances, I can provide you with the data, facts, and information to bring context to it for you. Let's talk. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for December 9th, 2022. Thanks for tuning in. Until next week, stay safe.